Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a Frank Garcia unboxing. This is the album. This is all I opened up so far. I signed up for the album and the card making kits every month just for a few months just to see what it was all about and see if I want to keep subscribing to it. So I wanted to do an unboxing video so you guys could also see what comes in it. So new spots open up the first of every month. So I got mine on July 1st. I was able to sign up. And now here's my first kit 2 weeks later. So I'm going to show you guys what's in here. Let me just take this all out and we're going to do an unboxing. Alright, so here we are. I'm going to open this up. So this is how it came. It had this little card here and it says July 2020 parcel. And it says the monthly album and then just a little message here. And so let's see what's inside. It comes wrapped in tissue paper. Oh my god, we got some Prima Flowers. Yes. Oh, it's like a Seashell album. Look at this. So it looks like they cut up some Sweet Story bows and they included one in here. And look, you got all this like seashell stuff. Oh, this is going to be so fun. So you got the little bow. Look at this. You got little actual seashells, little pearls. You got this, look at this mermaid thing. How do I use any of this? I don't even know. You have this little moss. You have this starfish. And you have this thing right here. So I know there's going to be some kind of like, it's going to tell me how to do this, right? What it's supposed to look like. That would be so fun. Okay, then you got some Prima Flowers. So you got this set. And you got this one. I think this is from the Surfboard collection because I do have this one. These pink ones. Very, very pretty. I think, oh, look at this surfboard because I have this also. But then we have some ephemera from the Prima Surfboard collection. And these are the little bits that come in here. And then we also have the wood embellishments. I really don't like that these are off-white because like the paper and the ephemera is white, but then the embellishments are off-white. Here is the little album we're going to be decorating. I'm actually super excited. Oh my god, I've never seen an album like this. Hold on a sec, guys. Hold on a second. I thought all albums have jump rings, but look, this is already like a cardboard album made for you. Look at this. It's got the spine and everything. Wow. How did they even put this together? I want a tutorial. That is so cool. You could just make a whole bunch of like albums like this already to have on hand. I love it. And then you have some paper and instructions. So this would be the album that you are creating. Here is all of the instructions. This is what it would look like on the front. And then it tells you all the pages. Oh, you're supposed to paint the album? Well, guys, I don't got paint. So no painting will be happening here. Wow, but this is going to be so fun. Oh my goodness. So many pages, but this would be so fun. Maybe I should do this on my live. And I don't know what this paper is for. But you have this paper and then you have these pages as well. They're double-sided, which I hate. Because I hate wasting double-sided paper, but I don't have the double-sided. I have the paper pad. Maybe I should use the paper pad instead. Because I think I have the paper. No, I have the smaller version, actually. I think I have the 6x6. But would that work on here? This is a, no, this is a 6.5 by 7.5 album. That wouldn't work. but this would be so fun to do. Oh, I like this. You get so many of each page. I think you get like 3 of each page, except for the cut aparts. Okay, maybe not all of them. Some of them you get 3 of a sheet. This is gonna be so fun, guys. I'm loving it. Okay, so this was the album kit. It is expensive, but Prima is expensive, and already here you have like a whole bunch of goodies. So I'm super excited to put this together and try it out. Oh my god, I'm really excited. All right, guys, so that's it. That's all that comes in the Frank Garcia kit. This is the album for the month, and I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video, and that's it for today's video. So I will see you guys in my next crafty video. Talk to you soon. Bye.